Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to transfer your domain from Ionis to Hostinger or any domain registered to Hostinger. As you can see, I have this domain registered on Ionis, which is a very famous domain register. So I have this name channel of my the website of my channel. So for some reason it's still working even after it's not renewed. So I bought this here. So to do this, you can see I have not made the payment. It's asking me for $20, and of course I will not be paying $20. I bought this for only $1. So if you are into this kind of situation, all you have to do is just visit that, open that the domain register and go to the domain section of that, and you will see your website, and make sure you go to renewals and transfer. You'll have this option everywhere in all the domain registers, and just make sure that you don't have this domain transfer lock. Just if it is enabled, just disable it, and make sure to do this within 60 days or 30 days or how much ever grace period. And you need the authentication code. This is what is required to transfer. So when I click on authentication, it's asking me for the reason why I want to transfer. Of course, it's the price, and click on continue. You will get a authentication code. So a website, email, domains. Okay, show authentication code, and make sure to copy this. This is very confidential, guys. And once you have this code, go to Hostinger, and under Hostinger go to domains, and select transfers. From here you just enter the website that you want to transfer from your domain register to Hostinger, and click on transfer. This will give you the price. I'm paying in Indian rupees because this account is based out in India, and click on purchase. And here it will ask you for the payment method. I'll choose a different payment method and continue, and this will take you to the checkout page where you have to either pay using PayPal or use your card. So let me quickly enter the card details. Once that is done, you will see that the payment successful. So it will ask you to update your address. You can update your latest address, and once this is done, it will show you the name servers that are existing. I don't have to worry, my hosting is with Hostinger, and click on next. And here you are at the review page. Just make sure you enter the authentication code that you copied from the domain register, and click on next, and the domain transfer will start. So domain transfer is now initiated. You can see this can take some time. It's saying it will take 5 to 7 days. That's not the case. It will be instant. So you can see we are at this page where you can refresh and see the status, whether your domain is transferred from Ionis or any domain to Hostinger. So let's open my Gmail on my mobile application, and I'll open the email and click on manage transfer. Open this using Chrome or any browser of your choice, and here you'll have to verify this so that it's transferred. You'll click on confirm transfer, and it says the domain has been transferred successfully. We'll close this and refresh to see if the domain is transferred. So I'll click on refresh status, and there you go. The domain transfer is now complete. You can also you'll get another email on your registered email to verify your email. So you can just open the email and just confirm your email. If you want to change the email, you can. Let's quickly close this page, and in the meantime I'll verify my email. You can see I received another email, and it says the email is now verified. And once this is done, you can just close this Ionis, or you are registered. The work is done, and you can go to the Hostinger, to your Hostinger H panel, which is your Hostinger dashboard, and go to domains, and you will see the domains under manage domain. So this domain will be registered for a year for a price of $879 or how much ever it was in rupees. So based on the country you live in, it will change. It will show you a different price. So that's a different topic altogether. And I'll go to Hostinger, click on manage domain, and there you go. Our domain is now active and is ready to be used. It's ready, and you can see the expiry. It's valid until next year, April. And if you want some special offers on Hostinger, you can buy using the link in my descriptions. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.